We're now heading towards the end of January, so we're finally coming to the end of winter. One of the main jobs on the nursery is to pot all of the perennials so they're in some nice compost, so when spring hits and the longer days are upon us, they can root and they can grow on perfectly for sale. So these are all the many perennials that the team has been busy potting up over the last couple of weeks. And there's Andrew, the nursery manager, lending a hand. We'll go and ask him a few questions. Hello, Andrew.
Hello, Christine.
So we've been busy over the last few weeks potting all these perennials. Have we had more to pot this year?
Yep, we've got quite a few more to pot this year because of the increased sales we had last year. So we've decided to start early and try and get through the glut before the mail order kicks off again.
How many more perennials this year roughly, just to give our viewers an idea of the quantity?
I think we've probably ordered in excess of 10,000 more perennials to pot. So that's why, as you can see, this bed will be full in a minute.
Yeah.
The polytunnel down there is full already.
Yeah.
A little bit more down the bottom.
Yeah.
And we're going to add to the perennials we've already got on the far bed. So that's sort of at least double the amount that we had last year.
That's quite impressive, really. The perennials in the polytunnels, were they grown a little bit earlier? Have we overwintered them at all?
Those were grown and planted in September of last year, so that we could overwinter them, and then we'd have potted plants which have rooted out to start selling in the spring of 2021. Because
people start wanting to plant their garden up come early March, and one of the problems we found, is it right to say that the perennials haven't always rooted through by the time?
We've got a little bit of criticism that people have had plants which have recently been potted and not rooted through.
Yeah.
So to mitigate that and counter it, we've adopted a process of growing them about 6 months earlier. And you can see the nice perennials there in the nice Cornish climate.
All ready to go. We'll go and take a look now. Thank you.
See you later.
As you can see, here they are, potted in September, grown on through the lovely Cornish Indian summer, and continue to grow on through the mild winters we're blessed to have here. And all ready for spring planting for people who want to start planting up their gardens come early March.